Life in these troubled times can be tough. Some of us may have experienced some form of anxiety, which can lead to a dreaded panic attack. And when we think that life has gotten too hard to handle, we can end up asking for medical advice. Medical doctors sometimes think they're doing us a favor by prescribing benzodiazepines, or benzos for short, for anxiety. Benzos are minor tranquilizers, usually prescribed by doctors to relieve stress and anxiety and to help people sleep. Benzos are medications which slow down messages traveling between the brain and the body. They can also be used to treat alcohol withdrawal and epilepsy. Some healthcare professionals, especially those who treat people with benzo addiction, are concerned about the risk benzos present because benzos are so addictive, especially when they are used for more than a couple of weeks. Benzodiazepines taken with alcohol or other drugs can cause a person to overdose. A person who uses benzos can quickly become dependent on them and suffers painful withdrawal symptoms even after a short period of use. There are several different brand names for benzos. The 5 most commonly prescribed benzodiazepines are alprazolam, Xanax, lorazepam, Ativan, clonazepam, Klonopin, diazepam, Valium, and temazepam, Restoril. Xanax is the most prescribed psychiatric drug in the United States. It's a fast-acting benzodiazepine used to treat anxiety disorder. It is highly effective, but for those with the disease of addiction, it is highly addictive and dangerous. This is because it can become the answer to the problem of anxiety, leading the user to rely on it instead of developing other coping skills. A person using Xanax can become dependent on it in a very short period of time. For some, even just a few weeks. Benzo addiction treatment involves helping the user withdraw from any benzos in any way that is safe and as comfortable as possible. Most people who are addicted to benzos can't do this alone. They need help to stop and stay stopped. If you feel fearful at the prospect of benzo addiction treatment, be assured it's normal. If you are struggling with addiction to any of the benzos, the decision to get help is a very important first step. You are unique, and your treatment will be as well. At our benzo addiction rehab in Thailand, you will get time out from all your problems and the stress of life, and you'll be able to focus on getting well. Miracles Asia Thailand Drug Rehab will make sure that you get effective treatment to withdraw and recover from benzo addiction. Our highly successful benzo addiction treatment is holistic, combining psychotherapy, mindfulness training, cognitive behavioral therapy, and it's all delivered by highly trained professionals in a beautiful setting in a luxurious boutique treatment center on the fabulous island of Phuket. At Miracles Asia, we know how to help you. You deserve recovery. We understand recovery and how life can be so much better without the use of Xanax or other benzos. We will give you the tools to start you on that all-important journey to living your best life without the need for any mood-altering substances. Call for a no-obligation free assessment with a trained specialist.